Welcome to the presentation. Today in this video we will discuss about how can we find last two digits that number ends with 3, 7 and 9. In the last videos we are talking about how can we find the last two digits that end up with 1 and 5, right? And how can we find last one digit, but there is recommendation to learn this video. Before learn this video you are listening the video in which we are talking about how can we find last two digits that end up with 1 and 5, that number end up with 1 and 5, multiplication of two number and three number, it would be required. Now we have three examples here: 3 9, 39 with power 72, 27 with power 58, 13 has power 53. But here इन एग्जाम्पल्स को सॉल्व करने से पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इन नंबर्स को बनाएंगे, मीन्स ए नंबर दैट एंड अप विद 1, राइट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट विल डू, वी हैव 39. 39 has power 72. Now 39 square we can write as 39 square, that is, what is a 39 square? 39 times 39, last digit is 81, 8 carry, then we are put cross here. 27 plus 27 plus 8, we have value 62. Now we require only last two digits, we want to find last two digits, then we have value 21 and 72 over 2 value is 36, right? Now what we'll do, यहाँ पर हमारा नंबर बन चुका है end up with 1. Then what we'll do, here we are using the formula of 1, that number end up with 1, we are multiplying 2 to 6, means A multiply B. 2 times 6 is 12, we are writing 2 here. This is the second last digit, and that number end up with 1, that's last digit is 1, that's why our answer is 21, right? मीन्स अगर हम किसी भी पावर को सॉल्व करेंगे तो हम यहाँ पर यूज कर रहे हैं 3, 7 एंड 9, तो इसे हम नंबर बनाएंगे दैट नंबर एंड अप विद 1, राइट? 21 एंड अप विद 1, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव वैल्यू 21, मीन्स इट्स लास्ट डिजिट्स आर 21. Now our second example, I will draw a line here to separate this part. 27 times 27 power 58. Now 27 power 58, तो हम यहाँ पर 1 बनाएंगे, 1 और 9 you can see. Now we can double of it, 27 times 27, what is 27 times 27? We can write as 27 times 27, that is 9. Next step is cross multiplication. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 14 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. 3 carry. Now what is the number next? That does not matter because we only want to require 2 9. We can write as 2 9 and half of power 58, that is 29. Now we have value 29 power 29, we can write as 29 power 28 times 29, मीन्स हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया, इस पावर को हमने डिस्क्राइब करके लिख दिया, मीन्स 29 power 29, that is same as 29 power 28 times 1 power of 29, right? Now 29 power 2, what is the answer? We have 41 because we have requirement of 2 digits, and 28 half is 14 times 29. Now we end up with 1. Now 4 times 4, I will pick another color to highlight this. 4 times 4, that is 16. We take 6 here, and last digit is always 1 times 29. Now we have terms in multiplication. Then 9 times 1 is 9, and what is the second digit that we can multiply? 61 times 29. Cross multiplication, because when we are multiplying 2-digit number, second digit can be become by cross multiplication. 6 times 9 is 54. 54 plus 2 is 56. That's why we have last 2 digits at 69. Right? This is our answer of 27 power 58. Now we have the third term, that is 13 power 53. How can we solve this? We can write as 13 power 53 as 13 power 52 times 13 power 51. We can write as 13. Now 13 times 2, that is 169. We can write as 69 here because we are using only 2 digits here. 52 over 2, that is 26 times 13. Now we end up with 9. Now we can also again power to 69 times 2. We don't know what is the 69 power 2. Here we can multiply. We can multiply here. 69 times 69. Last digit is 1 because 9 power 9 is 9 times 9 is 81. 8 carry. 54 plus 54 plus 8. Then we end up with 6. That's why 61 is last 2 digits of our answer. 26 over 2, 13. Now you can see we are ending with 1. Then follow this rule, apply the method. 6 times 3, that is 18. We pick 8 here, and 1 because that number end up with 1, that has last digit always 1. In the power, times 3, 13. Now what is the product of 81 and 3? Last digit is 1 times 3 is 3. Now second digit, how can we solve? We can solve it as it is 81 times 13. First digit is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 2 carry. आगे का जो आंसर है that does not matter here because we want only 2 digits here. Means our answer is 53. See how easily and how quickly we are finding the last 2 digits with 3, 7 and 9 here. The question arises, first thing is we are converting that numbers that are end up with 3, 9 and 7. हम यहाँ पर उन नंबर को कन्वर्ट करेंगे उस नंबर में जिसका जो लास्ट डिजिट है that is always 1. In the 39 we are converting it to 21. It is end up with 1. That's why we are solving is by using the method of 1. In the 27 we are solving it 29, then again 41. It also end up with 1, 41. That's why we are using the method of 1. In the 13 power 53 we are also converting it to 69, then 61. 61 is also end up with the 1. तो हम यहाँ पर 1 का मेथड यूज करेंगे. हम यहाँ पर एक ही चीज का ध्यान रखेंगे, जो नंबर 3, 7 और 9 से एंड अप कर रहे हैं उन्हें हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे the number that is end up with the 1. And by using this video you can solve any number and you can find last 2 digits of any number that are end up with 3, 7 and 9. Thank you.